Module 1, Introduction to Agile and Scrum. Topic 1, What is Agile? Subtopic 1, Definition and Core Concepts. Agile is a mindset and a set of practices for managing projects and delivering value in a flexible, collaborative, and customer-focused way. Unlike traditional project management, which follows a rigid, linear plan, Agile embraces change and prioritizes delivering small, usable pieces of work frequently. At its core, Agile is about three things: collaboration, iteration, and customer centricity. Collaboration means teams work together closely, often with stakeholders, to align on goals. Iteration means breaking work into small cycles. Think weeks, not months, so you can test, learn, and improve as you go. Customer centricity ensures that what you deliver meets the needs of your users or clients, not just a checklist of requirements. For example, imagine you're building a mobile app. In a traditional approach, you might spend a year planning and building the entire app before showing it to users. With Agile, you'd create a basic version, say, just the login and one feature in a few weeks. Get user feedback, and then keep improving it. This reduces risk and ensures you're building what people actually want. Agile isn't limited to software. It's used in marketing, education, healthcare, and even event planning, anywhere adaptability and quick delivery matter. The core idea is simple: work smarter, not harder, by staying flexible and focused on value. Subtopic 2, History and Evolution of Agile. Agile was born from frustration with traditional project management methods, especially in software development. In the 1980s and 1990s, many software projects used the waterfall model. Waterfall is a step-by-step approach. Plan everything up front, design, build, test, and deliver. Test. Projects often took years, and by the time they were done, customer needs had changed, or the technology was outdated. Failure rates were high. Some studies estimate over 50% of software projects failed to deliver on time. Budget, or scope. By the late 1990s, a group of software developers started experimenting with lighter, more flexible approaches. They called these lightweight methodologies. Some examples include extreme programming, or XP, and Scrum. These methods focused on small teams, frequent deliveries, and adapting to change. In 2001, 17 innovators met at a ski resort in Snowbird, Utah to share ideas. The result was the Agile Manifesto. This document gave the movement a name: Agile. Since 2001, Agile has grown far beyond software. Companies like Spotify, Amazon, and even non-tech firms like ING Bank use Agile to innovate quickly. Today, Agile is a global standard for managing complex, fast-changing projects. Subtopic 3, Agile Manifesto, 4 Values and 12 Principles. The Agile Manifesto is the guiding light for all Agile practices, including Scrum. The manifesto consists of 4 core values and 12 supporting principles. The 4 values are: individuals and interactions over processes and tools. Agile values people, your team, your customers, over rigid procedures or fancy software. For example, a great team discussion is more valuable than a perfect project management tool. Working software over comprehensive documentation. Deliver something that works, even if it's small, rather than spending months writing detailed specs. In non-software contexts, think working product or usable result. Customer collaboration over contract negotiation. Work closely with your customers or stakeholders to understand their needs, instead of sticking to a fixed contract that might miss the mark. Responding to change over following a plan. Embrace change, even late in a project. If new information shows a better path, Agile says, adapt. Don't just stick to the original plan. These values don't mean processes, tools, documentation, contracts, or plans are bad. They're just less important than people, results, collaboration, and flexibility. The 12 principles are: deliver value to customers early and continuously. Welcome changing requirements. Even late in development. Deliver working results frequently, ideally every few weeks. Have business people and developers work together daily. Build projects around motivated individuals and trust them. Use face-to-face communication whenever possible. Working product is the primary measure of progress. Maintain a sustainable pace for the team. No burnout. Pursue technical excellence and good design. Keep things simple. Maximize the work not done. Let teams self-organize to get the job done. Regularly reflect and improve how the team works. These principles guide every Agile practice. For example, in Scrum, delivering frequently happens through sprints, and reflecting is done in retrospectives. Subtopic 4. Benefits of Agile in modern organizations. Agile solves real problems and delivers measurable results. Here are the key benefits, with examples to make them clear. First, faster delivery. Agile's iterative approach means you deliver usable results quickly. For instance, a marketing team using Agile might launch a campaign in 2 weeks instead of 2 months, testing and tweaking as they go. Second, improved customer satisfaction. By involving customers early and often, Agile ensures you're building what they need. A real-world example. Spotify uses Agile to release new features based on user feedback, keeping millions of users happy.
Third, increased flexibility. Agile lets you adapt to change without derailing the project. During the COVID-19 pandemic, many companies pivoted to remote work or new products using Agile to stay nimble. Fourth, better team collaboration. Agile fosters open communication and trust. Teams work together daily, share ideas, and solve problems as a unit, which boosts morale and productivity. Fifth, reduced risk. By delivering small pieces and getting feedback, you catch issues early. Compare this to waterfall, where a flaw might not show up until the end, costing millions to fix. Finally, higher quality. Agile's focus on frequent testing and technical excellence means better outcomes. For example, a software team might catch bugs in every sprint, ensuring a polished final product. These benefits make Agile a game changer for startups, corporations, and even nonprofits. Subtopic 5. Common misconceptions about Agile misconception. 1. Agile means no planning. Agile involves a lot of planning, but it's flexible and iterative. You plan for the next few weeks, not the next few years, and adjust as you learn. For example, in Scrum, sprint planning happens every sprint. Misconception 2. Agile is only for software. While Agile started in software, it's now used everywhere. A school might use Agile to design a new curriculum, iterating based on student feedback. A hospital might use it to streamline patient care processes. Misconception 3. Agile means no documentation. Agile values working product over comprehensive documentation. But that doesn't mean no documentation. You document what's needed like user stories or technical specs, but avoid wasting time on documents no one uses. Misconception 4. Agile is chaotic. Agile frameworks like Scrum have clear roles, events, and rules. It's disciplined flexibility, not a free-for-all. Misconception 5. Agile works for every project. Agile shines in complex, uncertain projects where requirements change. For simple, predictable tasks, like building a bridge, traditional methods might be better. Busting these myths helps you approach Agile with clarity. Additional notes: provide a PDF of the Agile Manifesto, 4 values and 12 principles. Share a handout summarizing benefits and misconceptions. Include links to the Scrum Guide and Agile Alliance for further reading. Assessment. Quiz. 5-7 questions. Covering definitions, manifesto, benefits, and misconceptions. Example question. Which Agile value prioritizes delivering a working product over detailed documentation? Answer. Working software over comprehensive documentation.